SOP Part 3. Create a BOM with ChatGPT or Gemini. Okay, so if we have new project and we want to start or we want to create a BOM is also known as bill of material. So before we start, we should sign in Gemini or ChatGPT. So I already signed in with Gemini or ChatGPT. In Gemini, you have to first define what is your requirement and ask to Gemini what will be the component would be required. So here is my command of ChatGPT. It is copying it. And pasting here. So here is the example. Example chat GTP command in double quote. Act as a top embedded expert and product designer. Whenever you just pasting or asking some question to a chat GTP or Gemini, we should tell them that to act as a top embedded expert. If you are not providing this type of command in front of asking any questions related to embed system or other things, so what will happen? It will give not structured result. If you want structured result or need proper answer, you should define first to act as a top embedded expert and product development consultant. So here is the project requirement. I want to make a robot, a small tractor, a small tractor. Sorry, spelling mistake, a tractor with a conveyor belt on wheels like military tanks. I want to develop the system for agriculture farming where he should work in the mud. Yeah, the client having requirement that he want to develop the product, a small tractor. Plus, he don't have wheel. He having the like conveyor belt system in the military tank. You know that military tank having conveyor belt systems in his wheels, so he can go through in muds, waters, or other any areas. So we want to develop such as things for agriculture purpose. So he already told me that he already told us that client want uh, like a tank system, moving system. So he already explained that I want to make the robot small tracker with conveyor belt wheels like military tank. I want to develop system from agriculture or develop robot for agriculture farming, where he should work on the mud. He should work on the mud also. I also I already talked with the X machine.ai. You should tell him that there is a parallelly having competitor which having the machine dot X machine.ai. So ChatGPT or Gemini will go to the website and search over there what type of the machines are. And they have a budget around 4 lakh rupees. Okay, but I want to develop in-house. So we don't want to purchase from them. We want to develop in-house. It should be remote control automatic. You know that they're having also system through remote control and they are having automatic navigation systems, means they follow a robot automatically. Once we define that area, robot automatically follow through the area. So here we also developing the remote and automatic system. So I suggest ask the question to ChatGPT. What will be the components required? Suggest motherboard. Yeah, obviously we require motherboard. Without motherboard, there will be no brain. Motor driver. To drive the motors, we require motor drivers. Motors, mechanism of conveyor belt with wheels, battery adjust system, lidar, yeah, for automatic system, lidar is required. These are things I have got from competitor website, ROS software, etc. So I just copy and paste things and click on update. For us, I got this result. Okay, so in motherboard, it suggested that NVIDIA Jetson Nano, if you are processing lidar or autonomous algorithm. He suggests us to Raspberry Pi 4 as well, but we can focus on this thing he strongly suggested. For motor driver, he said that use the DR8310 shield for Raspberry Pi if you're using Raspberry Pi. Okay. And our motor driver you can purchase from Polo company or Roboco company. Motor he already told me that use brushless DC motor for high torque because they're having mod, so we require high torque, means high energy, high force to move the load robot. Okay, so look the company like Tagni, Kits for budget-friendly options. In frame, he told us that use the aluminum system or steel because it's lightweighted, you can easily maintain. Wheels, good traction, navigational tires, adding the tracks to improve the mud performance, but complexity increases. Okay, we will see. We will ask next question. Conveyor belt. He also asks a conveyor belt like a polyurethane. If you are, it is waterproof and it will not going to rust. Power charging system. Lithium-ion battery is suggested because if you use uh, other type traditional battery like a liquid battery or something else, so that weight will be increased. So instead of focusing on here, suggested lithium-ion battery, high capacity, high ampere rating, storage have ampere storing uh, battery capacity, charging capacity. So focus on. He suggested 2D lidar is best for obstacle detection, environment mapping for navigation, and arrow software. So these are some. He suggested that you can develop the system in a jet 4K. So after that, he decided the component. We should ask more in detail that he just suggested the name, but if he suggested the mobile that you should purchase the mobile app, but we have requirement that we need to take good selfie. So which type of Apple mobile, which company or which type of version we require. So we need to also define that which type of motherboard we require. Just I download here. I just type, I think motherboard invitation is best for lidar autonomous. Suggest me motherboard name. Okay. Suggest me motherboard name and price from India. Because we are going to purchase from India, so you have to tell him that. Uh, motherboard version. Sorry, it's the motherboard version name and price of from India. Okay. So let's see what he will suggest. Agree NVIDIA. So he suggested motherboard B0 model. Okay, it's around 20, 30,000. It's approximately 30,000. You can purchase from Amazon.in or the value store.in. So let's create. First, we need to create the price of the components. Sorry. Mhm. After that, we need to ask specific specific components with price and vendors online vendor. Okay. Next command, ask specific motherboard. Okay, here's the command. I just posted. Okay, so we got the answer. Okay, so we got the answer like, so what will you do? We will first create a folder. First, we will create the folder. We don't have any product folder, so we create Eutronics, which is 2024. Okay, all the projects should be inside. Okay, we will go there, create project name. You can define the project name like agriculture robot or company name. I just put agriculture robot with date 22 22/05/2024. Okay, so whatever the things should be, all the things here inside. So what we are going to create? We are going to create a BOM, bill of material. Approximate BOM. BOM is bill of material. Okay, so we define BOM staff. Okay, first let's focus on BOM. Serial number in first column, serial number. Then second column we define components. In third we define vendor. Okay, quantity, how much quantity we require, and the total. Okay, so this is the things, and we also need to create a block diagram. So what is the component is required, what are things are required. We first focus on block diagram. So we're going to ask some question. Let's define the project for agriculture. Can you create a block sorry, CK block diagram for this project? Okay, so let's see if we will define or not. Yeah, we created block diagram. But it is not very accurate. This copy we can paste here. Let's see if it is possible to paste. No, not possible. Okay, first of all, we are going to create here a block diagram. Mm, okay, we will create block diagram later. First, we will create a BOM, and we already have block diagram here things. Okay, so first we are going to include a motherboard. What is the motherboard? Is suggested board, and serial number one with video paste it. Okay, who is the vendor? Yes, see the vendor is the value store.in. Okay, the value store.in. We are going to complete. You can purchase from Amazon as well. We see the specific customer. Amazon is too generic. Yeah, almost 20,000, 20, 30,000. The motherboard. Okay, we just copy the link. And, we can define the price 40,000. Quantity motherboard is required only one. In the price center and total. Okay, this price is 40,000. So we will add formula here equal to open bracket 1 into 40,000. Okay, so we'll get the 40,000. This formula will be applied all the cells. Right. So this is the this vendor and components right here. Try to reduce gap and link the copy. Remove link. Insert a link. Now apply. Okay. So first thing is completed. So is that the one thing? Next thing we should ask if I will use this motherboard can we install Linux or we can program IO ports in Python. Okay. So my next question is if we purchase this type of development board or development motherboard, so can we install the Linux like Raspberry Pi having the option you can install the Linux and do the Python work or anything else, .NET or whatever. So we have the team of who can install the Linux easily and can work on Python. In Python working, so many people or employee you can get. So we're going to ask the question that it can work on Python. And so many development boards and right now many AI programmings are working on Python. So there are so many development boards are supporting to Python program as well. Okay. So we are going to ask the same question. On that, Jason is the perfectly suited for agriculture work project. Here you can play next one Python program. Here, it is working on Python programming. Yeah, it is supporting Python GPIO pins as well. We given the library. Jetson.nano. Okay, okay, okay. And there are some resources will get started. Okay. Okay, so yeah, it is possible to program in Python. We can use start with pre-installed OS. Okay, they have OS as well. Okay, this is another expert. This we will find the board should be online install program Python because we have you many Python programmer who's often work on Linux or development. Now it is confirmed that it is working on Python and you can install the Linux. Okay, the first thing is completed. Now, next thing, we have motherboard. Now let's ask motor driver. हॅलो हा हा जय भीम बोला ना आहे का तुम्ही हा मी ऑफिसमध्ये आहे ओके ओके Now let's ask about motors, that which type of motor we are going to work. He suggested that option included uh, Raspberry Pi dedicated motor drivers. As he suggested motor driver, but motor but robot weight is around 75 kg plus mud and payload. So this so what type of motor and motor driver we should select? Suggesting motor PLDC as you suggested. High torque and motor driver. You are right. The weight about robot is 75 kg with more payload as necessary, more robust motor driver settings compared to. We suggested BLDC motor, KV rating around this indicate motor speed per volt, having robot in the mode, lower KV, yeah, actually it is in the mode, it's getting heavier, lower KV rating, slower speed, we need slow speed and high torque, yeah, these are the things we need. Look at the KV rating, 100 to 300 RPM per volt range, continuous current rating, continuous current rating, exceed expected current for normal operation mode, okay. Safety margin is 20 to 30% load because the normal current rating 30 ampere, at least 30 ampere will be required, depending on your panel design. Voltage is 24 volt, waterproof. So he suggested this motors. Mhm. Motor driver. control interfaces, UART, PWM. If we already having motherboard, we can do CAN or UART protocol communication. There are some manufacturers, suitable products. Okay, so they just suggested. Okay, but they just suggest, but you cannot given the link of the specific motor. Okay, so we should ask them. Give us specific model name. Give us specific model name, model version of motor and motor driver. Give the purchasing link. Give the purchasing link with price. Okay, let's see what it suggests. Okay, suggest. Okay, suggested motor. Multi-star BLDC outrunner 12 volt operating motor contains connecting 50 ampere waterproof gas 5099 purchasing gas. I think it is Indian company. Yeah, these are the motors. Yes, suggested. I think it is not in India. It is outside of India. We should go there. They did give the purchasing price in India. Okay, he suggested some websites like DGK, Mossa.in. Okay, so the price is very high. Like it suggests two motors, build this motor, turning the multi-star build AC outrunner motor. Okay, hobby key, and price around 30 USD. Okay, build this or second motor is suggested. You can use this motor also. If this not available, you can purchase this also. Motor driver is suggested. Olu, that is the very famous motor driver company. So we can purchase from 60 ampere. Current rating 60 ampere, 7 to 30 volt. We can run 12 to 24 volt. Yeah. CAN protocol. Okay. Additional configuration will require CAN protocol. Yeah, we can tell them CAN protocol. Okay. Another motor driver is suggested from same company. Third, Robo clock. Control interface serial or PPM. Okay. Due to dynamic nature of marketplace, we changing the guarantee limits. Okay, okay. Okay, we can find. So we suggested that well, let's copy this one. Down. ChatGPT, motor, What weight will be around 75 kg and will be in mud and also have payload. Okay. Here is next chat GTP command. Okay, this is the command is suggested. Still name return provide specific version of motor and driver. So let's ask for specific version. And by link on India. Previous GTP or Gemini command. Okay, let's copy. So we fold this. Okay, now it's time to find the motor and motor driver. So let's see the Gemini result like this one, and let's copy in Google search it. It's already having okay, might be rcprod.in, but rcprod.in website we don't know about it. Copy King will be better because he already suggested Copy King website. See Copy King, so we can see Copy King, and yeah, it's in from we not in India, but we can order from other country as well. This type of motor is very, I think, not suitable for us. The simple build is motor. Okay, because it's very small motor, and I don't think so it will work. Especially used for quadcopter. Yeah, yeah, like what?